This here is the Rii mechanical keyboard. This is a keyboard that I first got when I built my first PC. Now I have a different one, but this one was a very solid keyboard. Never broke on me, still fully functional after over 5 years. You can kind of see here. That's kind of what it sounds like. Not super loud. So the keys do rattle a little bit, but nothing crazy. You do have a light for the color, so that's really fun. That's one thing I don't have in my new keyboard that I kind of wish I did. Just kind of like a simple button to play around with the color. It's just really fun to do that. Everything else is very standard. All of the buttons are in the normal place. And there is software you can use in order to change the colors through some software on the PC. Or there's a couple of different codes, like if you use this button, I forgot exactly what they were, but they're in the manual, in order to make it pulse and kind of rotate through the colors and stuff like that. Other than that, really basic keyboard, really inexpensive, but really functional, especially for the LED function. I think that's really neat for the price. Just standard USB, connects via USB, and there you go. There's the back side of it. You can flip these up, but I did have a computer teacher that told me not to use them because you can get carpal tunnel. I don't know how true that is. I question the validity of that, but something I would look into. Overall, really good keyboard though.